Good morning! We are here in our staycation. And ito ang aming view. Well, not much of a view. But, yan siya. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you yung recent na ginamit kong product kagabi, which is the Butt Junkies. Ito yon. Ano siya, ang ganda sa balat. Nakaka-smooth nga, tama. After nung pagkakakaskas ko, it feels good. And ang moist strawberry. Ang sarap-sarap sa katawan. So, I think I have a new best friend, this one. And I plan to buy then yung iba nilang amoy. Meron pa silang isa pang klase. Parang mango. Pag naubos na to, yun naman ang ita-try ko. So, ito yun. Bango-bango. So, anyway, okay. Let's take a picture.